Hari Bol. So nice, Nandita.
Thank you, Mataji.
Welcome, Hari Krishna. Yes, shall we go into the session?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Hari Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. We'll share the screen. We'll start with Guru Pranam. Hare Krishna. Yes. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
Yes. Hare Krishna. So welcome all to Bal Gopal classes. We'll start our session with Guru Pranam. Hare Krishna. So I request all the kids to fold your hands and close your eyes and recite along with me. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shrivasadi Gaurabhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. So in today's session we are going to see the same sloka, BG sloka. It's a revision. Only Ashika Todi has recited. Nobody else has recited. So we will recite it again and we'll see a story. And for addition, we'll have activities today. We'll have a different type of activity today. And we'll see the rhymes also. So I have not shared the rhymes. So we'll see the rhymes also today. So shall we start with our favorite section? What is it? We'll start with quiz. Are you all ready?
Please.
Ready for the quiz? Yes, Aditya Singh says yes. Thumbs up. Okay. So last time, what story we saw? We saw the story of, anybody remembers the name? Three sages. Yes.
Three sages.
Yes, Guru Sai says it correctly. The three sages. So we are going to do the quiz on the three sages. So I'll share the link in the chat box. You can just click it and join. Yes, you can click and join. Hope you're all able to log in. So request everybody to join quickly so that we can start. Hare Krishna. Yes, everybody able to click it? It is in the chat box. Devang Todi, Aditya Singh, Guru Sai, Saisha, only 4 of us. Yes. Preyavyas, have you joined? Preyavyas?
Mataji, I was not. Mataji, I was not.
You are not there in the previous class. See, for this reason only, I am sharing the story again in the group. You are in the group? In the Prahlad group, you are there? Preyavyas?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, I have
Yes,
shared the
Mataji.
story in that group. So before coming, you have to revise it. Okay, no issue. You can do it again. I'll share the quiz link. Later you can do it. Okay. From next session onwards, you just revise it before. I'll share it. You can revise it. Okay, I'll share that. Okay, shall we start? Everybody has joined. I think one more kid has not joined. Who is it? Devang, Aditya, Guru Sai, Saisha, Manik Reddy, Sanidhya, Yashika. Who has not joined? Saisha, have you joined? Yes. Nandita has not joined. Hare Krishna. Nandita has not joined. Okay, we will start the quiz. Shall we start?
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, I joined Nandita.
Nandita, your name is not there. You are joined in which name? You click it again. You click the link again.
Mataji, okay.
Hare Krishna. Do you have the link? Yes, I'll send the link again. Yes, you can just click it. Your name is, yes, now only you have joined.
I joined.
Okay. Okay, we'll start. Here we go. Hare Krishna. Hope you are able to remember the story. Guru Sai leading. There are more than one right answer for this. You have to tick all the right answers. All choices you have to tick. Yashika Todi leading with, followed by Devang Todi, Nandita. Nandita is very quickly answering the questions. Yashika Todi leading, followed by Nandita, Gurusai, Devang Todi, Sanidhya. Kids, you have to answer it. You can take help from your parents, but you have to answer it. Your parents should not do it for you. Three more questions to go. You can switch on your cameras if possible. So we are coming to the end of the quiz. Two more questions to go. Leaderboard shows Nandita leading, followed by Gurusai, Sanidhya, Yashika, Devang Todi. This is a very easy question. So we have come to the end of the quiz. Last one. Yes. Nandita leading, followed by Gurusai. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. So kids, hope you enjoyed. Yes. You all knew the answers?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Hare Krishna. So today, this time I'll share the results quickly. Last time I was not able to share quickly. This time I'll share it very quickly. I'll also share the link. So those who have not attended, they can attend it. Okay. So we'll go into the session quickly. So we have completed the quiz. So we'll go for the Bhagavad Gita Sloka recitation. So this time I want you kids to recite. Last time we have seen the entire Sloka. So who will be able to recite? You can raise your hand. I can unmute. Who wants to recite this? It's a very easy Sloka. Last time we saw this. I will also help you to recite.
Mataji, your screen is blurred.
For others, are you able to see the screen?
No, Mataji. Mataji's screen has blurred.
Hare Krishna. Yes. Okay, is it okay now?
No, Mataji.
Is it okay?
Mataji. Mataji, now. No, Mataji, it's not okay. Very good.
I think you can see it now.
The screen is still blurred.
Screen is still. Is it still blurred? Okay, I'll recite it.
Yes.
I will recite it. You can recite beside me. Okay. This is sloka number 4.7. So we will recite line by line. You can unmute and you can recite. Yeda yeda hi dharmasya.
Yada yada hi dharmasya.
Yes, other kids, everybody can recite. They can unmute and recite. Glanir bhavati bharata.
Glanir bhavati bharata.
Abhyutanam.
Ma'am.
Abhyutanam adharmasya.
Abhyutanam
Tadatmanam shajamyaham.
Tadatmanam sajamyaham.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, one more time you can recite more.
Yes, I'll recite. I wanted to share it again. I want you all to
The screen is to blur.
Yes.
Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham.
Very good. Sanidhya has recited it very nicely. Yes.
Can I also recite?
Yes, Nandita, you can recite.
Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutanam adharmasya tadamaham srijamyaham.
Hari Bol. Very good. Can you read the translation?
Mataji, blur.
Still it is blurred.
Yes.
Okay. Anybody else can recite the sloka?
Mataji,
Yes, Preyavyas.
I want to recite with your help.
Yes, you can recite. Yada yada hi dharmasya.
Yada yada hi yasma.
Yada yada hi dharmasya.
Yada yada hi dharmasya.
Glanir bhavati bharata.
Glanir bhavati
Bharata.
bharata.
Abhyutanam.
Abhyutanam
Adharmasya.
adharmasya
Tadatmanam.
tadatmaram
Shajamyaham.
sajamyaham.
Yes. What does it mean? Yada yada. Yada yada means whenever and wherever. So whenever what happens? He, certainly. Dharmasya means religion, all pious activities. What all to be done? That is, what is the right activity to be done? So that is religion. Dharmasya. Glanir bhavati bharata. Glanir means discrepancies. Bhavati, become manifested. Bharata, O descendant of Bharata. Who is the descendant of Bharata? Who is addressed as Bharata here? Arjuna is called as Bharata. Arjuna. Krishna says to Arjuna, O Bharata, descendant of Bharata. He is coming in the line of Bharatavarsh. So he is called as Bharata. Abhyutanam, predominance. What is predominant? Adharmasya. So all impious activities, which is not favorable for the religion. So whenever there is Abhyutanam adharmasya, whenever all the bad things happen, tadatmanam, at that time, atmanam, self. Krishna says, I myself will come at that time. So whenever all the impious activities happens, I will come myself in this earth. That is what he is saying. The translation is, whenever and wherever there is a decline in religion practice, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise in irreligion, at that time I descend myself. Yes, Hare Krishna. Anybody else wants to recite?
Mataji, can I recite?
Yes, Yashika. Go ahead.
यदा यदा ये धर्मस्य ग्लानि भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्।
हरि
इसका
बोल।
मतलब इस श्लोक में कृष्णा जी अर्जुन को बोलते हैं, हे भरतवंशी, जब जब धर्म की हानि आती है और अधर्म की वृद्धि होती है, तब तक मैं वहां प्रकट होता हूँ। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Nice, nicely recited. See how she is reciting and then she is telling the meaning also. So the story which we are going to see today, this story is all about this only. You have to understand and then do it. Without understanding, you cannot recite properly. So you should know the meaning and then recite. Is anybody else wants to recite? Saisha, you want to recite? Saisha, are you there? Hare Krishna. Okay. Yes, Devang Todi. Hare Krishna. I am not able to hear you, Devang Todi.
Side, with your help, the screen
Yes.
is too blur.
Guru Sai always says my screen is blurred.
यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्।
Tadatmanam shrajamyaham. Yes, good. You have recited all the 3 lines. You have recited correctly. The last one. Tadatmanam shrajamyaham. You can repeat. Devang Todi, you can repeat. Tadatmanam
तदात्मानं
shrajamyaham.
सृजाम्यहम्।
Very good. Hari Bol. Can you read the translation in English?
No, Mataji.
No. Okay. Anybody else want to read the translation? Preyavyas, you want to read the translation in English?
Mataji, screen is blurred.
Screen is blurred.
Mataji, screen is blurred.
1 minute. Is it okay now?
No, Mataji.
It is like that. Hare Krishna. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes, Mataji.
Is it okay now?
No, Mataji. Mataji, I can see the screen.
Yes. You can recite, Saisha?
Can I read the translation?
Yes, translation you can just read.
Whenever and wherever there is a delicate and
Decline.
religious,
Yes. Yes, yes, you can read.
your screen is getting blurry now.
Yes, is it okay now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice or descendant of Bharata and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time, I dissent myself.
Very good. So the translation is whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice or descendant of Bharata and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I dissent myself. So when 2 things happen, Krishna descends. when there is a decline of religious practice. See, you can see in this picture, these people are gambling. That is not religious practice. See here, a boy and girl, they are drinking and she's eating meat. So these are all irreligions. So there is a decline in religious. What are religious practices? Can anyone say some religious practices? Hare Krishna.
Puja, bhajan.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Puja, bhajan, going to temple. So keeping yourself clean and neat. Yes, yes. So these things, these are religious practices. When there is a decline, that is, people are not doing it. When they are not doing the religious practices, and so one, they are not doing the religious practices. The second one is predominant rise of irreligion. These are irreligious activities. Drinking, eating, smoking, these are irreligious. So there is a rise of these activities. When these two things happen, then Krishna says, I will come myself. I will design myself. So he will come to make good all the bad things. So this is all the sloka about. So will you recite and send me the sloka? Those who have not recited?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Hari Bol. Okay. So I think we'll go to the next. We have seen this. Okay. Before that, we'll go to the story. And then we'll recite the rhymes.
Yes.
So do you want to hear a story?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
So today we are going to see a story called Yes, No, Very Good. The story name is Yes, No, Very Good. One second. Hare Krishna. So now what is the name of the story?
Yes. Yes, no, very good. Very good.
Yes, No, Very Good. This is the name of the story.
Yes, no, very good.
Yes.
Yes, no, very good.
So yes.
Yes, no, very good.
So this is the name of the story called Yes, No, Very Good. It is taken from the instructive stories from teachings of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. You all know who is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur?
Oh, Mataji.
Yes, Saisha knows. Who is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur? It's not Prabhupada. He is Prabhupada's spiritual master. He is Guru of Prabhupada. Yes, he is Guru of Srila Prabhupada, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So from his instruction, this story is taken. So we'll go into the story now. Hare Krishna. So once there was a very simple villager. Simple villager means he was very poor person. He was a very ordinary person. A simple villager, he picked up some English words through listening. So he used to hear the English words. He just picked up some few words. He doesn't know the meaning exactly. So he picked up a few words such as yes, no, and very good. He don't know what it means, but he knows that these are English words. In yes, no, and very good. So he thoroughly learnt all the three words. And what he thinks, if I memorize these three words, it will be enough, I think. So he feels that this three words is enough to know English. I will be respected in front of people. Is it right?
No, Mataji.
Just knowing three words in English, will you be respected in front of people? He thinks that knowing these three words, I will be respected in front of people. So he keeps on repeating the three words. Yes, no, very good. Yes, no, very good. He keeps on repeating. He feels as if he knows English and everybody will respect him. So saying this, he is just moving happily in the car. Then what happens? Once some robbers commit a murder. So this way, this fellow is just learning three words and he's keeping quiet. And that day night, what happened? Some robbers, they commit a murder. So they killed the old man. These two robbers, they killed the old man. They leave the body outside the house of the simple villagers. So they killed the old man and they kept the body of the old man in front of the simple villager house. The simple villager is there, no, who learnt English. So this is the hut of that simple villager. So they kept the body near the house of the simple villager. Let us escape by leaving the corpse here. What is corpse? Corpse means dead body. This man is dead. So they are leaving the dead body here and they are escaping. The police will never catch us, as they will think that the murder has been committed by the simple villager. So these two robbers, they steal the money, they kill him and they put it in front of the simple villager house and they ran away. So they, in this way, they both escaped. The next day, what happened? The poor villager was caught as a suspect and brought to the court for enquiry. Since the body of the old man was in front of his house, so the police came and arrested the simple villager. So the villager was caught and he was brought to the court. Who is this? The black coat. What do you call him?
Lawyer. Judge.
Judge. Yes, he is called the judge. Who said lawyer? Hare Krishna. Saisha. Okay. Lawyer is one who argues. So he is a judgment giving person. So he is sitting here. So he is asking certain questions. Lawyer is also there. These are lawyers. So here he is asking, judge is asking. What does he ask? Did you commit the murder? He is asking the poor villager. See, the poor villager is standing here. Now he is thinking. What he is thinking? If I could speak some English in front of this judge, then he might have great respect for me. And thus, considering me to be a follower of Western culture, he might relieve me from the allegation of murder. He is thinking like this. So if I speak some English words, this judge will think that I am a westernized man. I am a very modern man and he will leave me from this allegation. Will the judge leave?
No.
So what did the judge ask? What was the question? Did you commit the murder? What does it mean? Did you kill? That is what the judge is asking. So this poor villager, he knows only 3 English words. So what does he say for this? He says, yes. Thus contemplating, he answered. Thus thinking, he said, yes. The judge asked, did you kill the old man? He says, yes. So he is in trouble now. Now the judge is very angry. Then next question he asks, was there anyone else with you? He's asking, was there anyone else with you? When you killed the old man, was there anyone else with you? What is the second word the villager know?
No.
No. Yes, no. Very good. That is what he knows. So first he says, did you kill? He said, yes. Was there anyone else with you? He said, no. There was no one. So he says, no. The judge was surprised. Then he asked, do you realize that you will have to go to jail? So the judge is surprised. He says he has murdered. No one was there. So he's asking, do you realize that you will have to go to jail? For that, what he will say?
Very good.
Yes, that is the third word he
Very
knows.
good.
So he says very good. See, now he is in trouble. He knows only 3 words. He has answered all the 3 questions in the wrong way. So what happened? He is put in jail. So the judge says, do you realize that you will have to go to jail? For that, he says very good. Then, so he is punished. He is going to jail. So what does this story tell about? See, this is how it becomes. See, even in the field of devotional service, many people often deliver a lot of scriptural quotes in a parrot-like fashion. Parrot-like, how does the parrot speak? Whatever we speak, it repeats. It doesn't know the meaning. If you say Hare Hare, it will also say Hare Hare. If you say Ashika Todi, it will say Ashika Todi. If you say Guru Sai, it will say Guru Sai. If you say Nandita, it will say Nandita. Whatever we say, the parrot repeats. So many people, they often deliver quotes like parrot-like fashion without understanding the meaning. So they simply hanker for respect from the people in that manner. Hare Krishna, mute yourself. Hari Bol. Okay. So they simply hanker for respect from the people in that manner. But eventually, their position becomes similar to that of this villager. So the villager now he is in trouble because he did not understand the meaning of the word. He just repeated the words without understanding the meaning. So he is in trouble now. So in this case, the spiritual codes and authoritative injunctions are not properly assimilated and digested. The righteous community never appreciates them. It is also not possible to be released from the clutches of Maya or illusion through such a parrot-like verbiage. So just repeating the mantras and quotations will not help. You have to understand the meaning and then you have to learn. Otherwise, we will be in trouble. So this is what is said. Pure devotees simply consider these deliberations as a waste. So they say, yes, no, very good. Those persons are ultimately destined to suffer imprisonment under the merciless clutches of Maya. So if we do not understand and read, then we will be like the villager is put into prison, we will also suffer under the clutches of Maya. Did you understand the story?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. What did you understand? Whatever you read, you should understand and read. Even your school works, school subjects also, you should understand. I think you are all very intelligent kids. Maths, physics, chemistry, science, totally it is science. Whatever you read, you should not just mug up. You should not by heart it. You have to understand the concepts and then read. Then only it will be helpful. Okay. This is the story of yes, no, and very good. Hare Krishna. So did you all like the story?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
So we'll go to the session now. So we have a rhymes. The rhyme will end the session.
Mataji, you see there is the activity round also.
Yes. Shall we do the activity first?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
See, this is your homework. So you have a crossword puzzle like here. You have to circle the names of Srimati Radharani. I will share this. Okay. So you have to either it is from top to bottom or left to right or diagonal. So for example, I'll give you one. See here it is Srimati. Srimati. Srimati is one of the name of Radharani. So like that you have to, there are nearly 8 to 10 names of Radharani hidden here. So you have to find it and you have to circle it. So this is your homework. Okay, you all like it? You can refer books and you can get help from your parents and you can do it. Okay?
Okay, Mataji, I got Radha also.
Yes, Radha also you can see.
No, I got Radha.
Yes.
starts today.
Yes, anybody able to?
Math starts today.
Yes, Guru Sai.
I got Mataji, I got Gopi also. Mataji,
Yes,
I
yes.
got Gopi also. Gopi.
Gopi also you got. Yes. Okay, don't let out the answers. You can just, yes, Guru Sai, you don't know the names.
No.
I will send you it. I will send for you. I'll send it separately. You can just find it. Okay. I'll send the names. You can find it and circle it. Okay. Gopika. Yes. You are one by one. You are telling all the answers. Okay. Nice. You can just do it as a homework and then you can forward it to me. Okay. Yes. Radha. Okay. You want to do this activity now or as a homework? You want to do it in the class? I'll give it as a homework. We have one more activity. Okay. This you do it as homework. We'll do one more activity now.
Yes, Mataji.
Activity. That will be more easy.
Okay, Mataji. Okay, Mataji. Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So this is also related to Radha Rani. Yes. Are you able to see the screen?
No, Mataji. No, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Yes,
are you able to
Mataji.
see this? This is very easy. You can just name it, okay? See, one by one you can name it. Circle the objects that are connected to
Devotee.
Krishna.
Devotee.
Yes, one by one.
Temple.
Sanidhya, 1 minute you can wait. See, let others also do it. Each one you can tell one answer. Okay, I'll just mute everyone. You can raise your hand and then 1 minute. Hare Krishna. You can raise your hand. I will unmute one by one. Yes, Advika, you can. Are you able to unmute? Yes, I think now you can unmute. Advika, yes.
Okay, Mataji.
First line you can tell what is the object related to Krishna.
Okay, Mataji. Devotee and
Devotee.
temple.
Okay. Okay. Next, Nandita, you can repeat. In the first line, which are the things related to Krishna?
Temple.
Temple and also devotee. Devotee and temple. Gambling, is it related to Krishna? Gambling?
No.
No. Smoking?
No.
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 Okay. Now Freya Vyas will answer me. Freya Vyas. Next line.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me which is related now.
Radharani.
Yes, Radharani. In the four things, only Radharani is. Only Radharani? Is it only Radharani?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Yes, Adveka, you can tell.
No, Mataji.
Prasad. See this cake. Prasad cake. It is Prasad. That's why it is related to Krishna. If it is only cake, then it is not related. It is Prasad cake. So it is also related to Krishna. So in this line, it is Radharani and Prasad cake. Both are related to Krishna. Okay, now Saisha. Saisha, yes, you tell me. The third one, which is related to Krishna.
Flute, peacock feather, and conch.
Very good. Hari Bol. In this, three things are related to Krishna. It is the flute, peacock feather, and the conch. Yes, Gurusa, you want to say which is related to Krishna? You unmute and say. You are mute.
Flutes, peacock feather, and
Conch. This is called conch.
conch.
Yes, Hari Bol.
Okay.
Yes, so there is one more line. Who wants to try it?
Mataji Sanidhya.
Sanidhya, you have answered, na? Okay, I'll give it to Sanidhya. Okay. Yes, Sanidhya.
Yes, Mataji. Tulsi.
Yes.
Mataji. Mataji, screen is bloody. Mataji.
You can see, no?
Hanuman. Mataji,
Hanuman. Yes,
Hanuman.
Tulasi and Hanuman. Both are related to Krishna. Tulasi and Hanuman. Okay? Yes.
Hanuman.
Tulasi and Hanuman. Yes. Next, who wants to try? Last one.
Mataji. Hi.
Nandita has done it. Who have not done?
I have not done.
Who have not done? Riyansh, you can switch on your camera if you can. Hare Krishna. Okay. I'll give it to Riyansh. Yes, Riyansh. In the last row, tell me which is related to Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
In last row.
Yes, last row. Yes. 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 Cows, tilak, and chanting beads. These are related to Krishna. Yes. So you can see all these things like one by one. You can say all the things that are related to Krishna. You can just unmute and say one by one. First one is devotee. Second one,
Devotee.
temple. Then Radha Rani, yes. Prasad cake, yes.
Flute,
Yes.
peacock feather and conch.
Yes.
Tulasi Hanuman.
Tulasi Hanuman, yes. Yes.
Cow, tilak, chanting
Yes.
beads.
Cow, tilak and chanting beads, yes. Hari Bol. Chanting beads, yes. Hari Bol. Yes. So you have nicely told all the things that are related to Krishna. Did you enjoy the activity?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Mataji. So now we come to the end of the session. So this I'll give it as homework.
Okay, Mataji.
Srimati Radharani names you have to circle. This is a homework. So the assignment is circle the names of Srimati Radharani and sing the rhymes Blue Little Boy. Last time we saw, no? The rhymes you have to sing. We'll just recite the rhymes and end the session. And you have to, who are all reporting Hare Krishna Mahamantra? Who are all reciting and who are all reporting to me?
Mataji,
Who?
Freya
Yes.
Vyas.
Freya Vyas alone sent me a message. She is chanting. And she did Tulsi Aarti also so nicely. She had sent me the photo also. So I want all you kids to recite and
I do every
send.
day.
Very good.
Mataji,
Hari Bol.
every day water Tulasi Mata. So I will send a picture of
Yes. Yes, Riyansh. Also, you have to sing the Damodarashtakam. I am waiting for that. You have not recited and send me the audio.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
Yes, you can recite and send me the audio. You have my number, no? WhatsApp number. I think your mother is having. So you can send
Yes,
it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now we will see the rhymes. Okay. Blue Little Boy of Vrindavan. Yes, I'll play it for you.
Mataji, can I sing?
Yes, you can sing. Along with the audio, you can sing. Okay, I'll click the audio. You can sing, Riyansh. Yes.
The blue little boy of
Can you sing?
Vrindavan stole all the butter and
All the butters and all the ghee.
Yashoda came to beat. He said, no, no,
He said, no, no, not to me.
to the mortar. Blinking finger was the mother. Soon he crawled to the Yamala trees, waiting for his touch to be free.
Yes. Who wants to recite now?
Mataji, the screen is blurry.
I think you can see it now.
No, Mataji.
Yes, for others, you can see.
No, Mataji.
Yes. Hare Krishna. Yes, Riyansh, you can recite.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
The blue little boy of Vrindavan stole all the butter and all the ghee. When Mother Yashoda came to be, he said, no, no, not me. She caught him and tied him to the mortar. Blinking in fear was the mother. Soon he crawled to the Yamala trees, waiting for his touch to be free.
Hari Bol. Yes. Anybody? Who is this? Yes. Nandita, you can recite.
The blue little boy of Vrindavan stood on the butter and all the ghee. When Mother Yashoda came to meet, he said, no, no, not me. She caught him and tied to the mortar, blinking in a fever, the that. So he
We are not able to hear you. Soon he crawled to the Yamala trees.
Mataji, can you hear me
Yes,
now?
yes. Last two lines alone.
Soon he crawled to Yamala trees, waiting for his pets to be free.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Yes,
Mataji, can I say? Mataji, I can read.
okay. Sanidhya, I think you have recited. Okay, Sanidhya, you can recite.
The blue little boy of Vrindavan stole all the butter and all the ghee. When Mother Yasoda came to bid, he said, "No, no, not to me." She caught him and tied him to the mortar. Thinking in fear was Damodar. Soon he crawled to the Yamala trees, waiting for his tusk to be free.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. So nice. Okay. So I think with this we end the session. Shall we all chant once Hare Krishna Maha Mantra together?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.